Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy A40 with a cracked display. As you can see here, it looks good at the back, but the front, it's busted. Let's go fix it. So as you can see, we have the Samsung Galaxy Expert here to fix this issue. We're going to replace the display, and we start off by removing the back cover. It's flexible, so it means it's made up of plastic, which is good. I like plastic back covers. They don't crack and they're flexible. We're also gonna remove the screws that covers the main board, daughter board, and you can see the battery is exposed. But we can't remove the battery because we have the wide connector connecting the main board and daughter board. Next up, we're gonna remove the fingerprint scanner. It's weirdly attached at the outside, so before we can move on to remove this cover, this main cover, we're gonna remove this itty bitty sensor. We're also gonna remove the SIM card tray so we can remove the main board easily later on. And now we can remove the back cover. The back cover also includes the side cover, which hugs around the back of the display. Slowly remove it. There's no cables attached. I'm gonna detach the battery. Detach the connector. The connector for the display is right here in the corner. Also gonna turn this on in this configuration. And there you go. Samsung Galaxy A40. So this is definitely a budget smartphone. You can see in the construction, it's relatively simple in its design and construction. Lots of plastic components, but very, very capable. Very simple, and you can do a lot of things with an A40. So we're gonna proceed now to our final disassembly. We have confirmed that the display that we're gonna replace this one with is working, so we're gonna remove the cable, the main board, the daughter board, and the battery. So all these components will go into this replacement display. So all the components, including the small ones right here, we're gonna transfer them one by one. So we're gonna start off with some small ones. And of course, the main board, then the battery, and then we're gonna put back the screws needed for the main board to get attached to the frame of the display. Also gonna route the antenna cables and cover it up. I think we have forgotten a crucial component. We have forgotten about the cable. David has noticed that, so he's gonna open it again. Attach the main connecting cable. You don't want to damage this one, so care is needed when reinstalling it. I'm gonna press this back in. No foul done. And put back this fingerprint scanner. Its retaining clip, and then of course 1,000 screws that's gonna be attaching the entire thing together. So if you have a Galaxy A40 and you're hesitant to get it fixed, maybe you're just planning to buy a brand new smartphone, maybe you should consider having it fixed first. It's gonna save you a lot of money. Of course, it's gonna save the environment because you're not wasting something that just needed a new display. You can still reuse the internal components, the battery. So instead of buying a new one, have it fixed. Go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We have the Galaxy Expert here. it's David. He's gonna do the exact same thing on your Galaxy A40. Or if you have a slightly higher model of Samsung device and you want a new battery or new display, maybe he can source some parts for you and do a professional fix for your device. So we're just gonna cover this up and it's gonna be given back to the client. So he's gonna be happy with the results. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave it down below. And we'll see you again next time. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.